Hi guys, how we doing? I know it's a bit late, but this is my second bucket of Bokashi Composting, and it's full. So I've put a date on here which says the 6th of the 11th. It's fine, that won't be ready. But this one over here is ready to come out the bucket. To see if I could move all this without. Right. Okay. So this one was ready on the 19th. So I know I'm a couple of days late. And every 2 days I've been coming out. And I think this one is empty. Oh, no, there we go. Can you see that liquid that's coming out? Now, seemingly, that is very, very acidic, but in my research, what they've been saying is, did you close that tap up again? 1 milliliter of this stuff to 1 litre of water in your watering can is hugely beneficial to your garden because it's full of the good bacteria and the good stuff that your garden needs. I've got nothing growing at the moment apart from a couple of lettuce, so I haven't really been bothering. But what they also say is, pour this down your sink and all the foul smells and all the bad stuff that happens down your sink will stop happening. So that's what I've been doing. This one here is nearly ready. Sorry guys, the camera cut out and I didn't know. But basically, where am I? I've recorded the last 10 minutes and didn't know I wasn't recording. I've opened the bucket and basically, again, it smelled like, I don't know, pickled beetroot or pickled cabbage. And what you're supposed to do is dig a trench, put the stuff, empty the bucket into the trench, cover it over with soil, and it should basically disappear within 2 weeks. I'm not fit enough to dig a trench, and I'm a no-dig gardener. I don't want to dig a trench. So what I've done is, I've got a plastic bucket, big plastic bin, and in the bottom of it there is some homemade garden compost. I've also got a bag of this stuff there. What I'm going to do is, I don't know how to do this without, what I'm going to do is, as you can see in here, everything still looks like the day I put it in. There's some banana skins, there's some melon bits, there's carrots, there's beetroot, there's whole tangerines. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and mix that with the compost that's down at the bottom. So basically in this bucket, what I'm doing is what I'm doing is trying to emulate digging a trench. So mixing the compost in with the Bokashi stuff. So you can still see that there's like a bit of leak. This is turn up something, I don't know, banana peel, eggshells, off a leak. And some other stuff. Well, that's corn husks. So what I've done, there's a bit of corn there. So what I've done is I've mixed it all with the compost, that homemade garden compost. And now, and I don't have a small spade in here that I can use, I'm now going to put that bag of compost on top. So I'll be back when I've done that. Okay, as you can see, it's now full, covered with compost, garden compost, homemade stuff. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put a lid on, and I'm going to leave it slightly ajar because this time we do need air as in oxygen. So in here it needs to be anaerobic, i.e. no oxygen. When you put it in here, it does need oxygen because the microorganisms that are in the compost need to survive. So you leave that open. Now I'll come back, say in a week's time, and we'll see what's happening with this stuff in there. And then 2 weeks time, and then we'll keep going until basically we'll see what happens. So hopefully this is going to work. I now need to clean out this bucket and get it started up again. And that's it for this video. So please check back soon. I'll put up the first week result, second week result, and we'll see how things go. I really hope this works because the price of compost these days is just going sky high, and the fact that they can't put peat in compost anymore. So I'm really hoping this works. But what I will need to do is buy a testing kit to test for acidity. They say within 2 weeks the acidity is gone. But we'll see. Anyway, I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.